Did you know you can clean your oil paint brushes without toxic solvents? I didn't oil paint for a long time because I thought you had to use them. I'm pretty sensitive to scents and also struggle with sensitive skin. The typical solvents used for oil painting can be harmful to breathe or touch, so it's something I decided to avoid. Here's the steps I use to clean my brushes. Number 1, linseed oil. I use linseed oil and some old cut up towels to get as much pigment off as I can. Be sure to let your rags harden before throwing them out so they don't catch on fire. This can happen because of the oxidization process the paint goes through when drying. Number 2, dish soap. I like to start by using natural dish soap. My favorite is the unscented companies. I put a small amount of dish soap in my palm and then I do gentle circles with my brush until all the pigment is out, and then I rinse. Number 3, condition the brushes. I wet my brush again and then rub them around in the Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver. This helps to condition the brushes and gets any leftover pigment the soap and oil couldn't get out. Make sure to rinse the brush cleaner fully off so it doesn't harden on your brushes. Number 4, you have clean brushes. Store them upright in a jar to dry until your next painting session. All these brushes I've had for a few years now and they're still looking great with this method. Have you tried this cleaning method before? Comment your favorite solvent-free products below. I'd love to hear your experience with cleaning your brushes in the comments so we can all help each other out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I hope these suggestions and tips helped you on your painting journey.